Hello, it's Ollie here at the Crafty Whisk, and I'm so grateful that you could join me today. Welcome to day 7 of our unboxing of the Snazzi Scrappin Advent Calendar. This is quite firm. Don't know what this one could be actually, no idea. Maybe some paper. Yes. Oh, we've got a pack of 20 C6 card back. Oh, two packets. So one in brights and one in pastels. These I think will be to the Australian size of, where are we? 10 by 14.5. So these are the matting layer for the top of Australian size cards. They're really nice. They'll come in nice and handy. Join me tomorrow for day 8, I think we're up to. Yes, day 8 tomorrow. Please like and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss it when I bring out a new video.